Exploring the sounds of nature, the magic of jungle sounds. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into an exciting and vivid part of the English language, phrases describing nature's music. We'll explore the term, jungle sounds, a phrase rich in imagery and sensory experience. So, let's embark on this auditory adventure together. Jungle sounds refer to the natural noises you hear in a jungle or rainforest. Imagine being surrounded by tall, lush trees and a variety of plants. In this environment, you're likely to hear a symphony of sounds. The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, the croaking of frogs, and sometimes even the distant roar of a wild animal. These sounds are not just random. They're a vital part of the jungle's ecosystem. Understanding jungle sounds can give us a deeper appreciation of nature. They are essential for the survival of many animals, helping them in finding food, avoiding predators, or communicating with each other. For humans, these sounds often symbolize peace, mystery, and the raw beauty of nature. They also play a crucial role in movies, music, and literature to set a scene or evoke emotions. The phrase, jungle sounds, is not just about the literal sounds. It's often used metaphorically in English to describe situations that are wild, chaotic, or full of energy. For example, a bustling city street might be described as having jungle sounds due to its noisy, lively atmosphere. This metaphorical use shows the richness and versatility of the English language. I hope this exploration of jungle sounds has been both enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, English is more than just grammar and vocabulary. It's a window into diverse experiences and perspectives. Keep exploring, and you'll find endless wonders in the world of language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.